Alright, I'm making this video. It's gonna be a short one. This is just for strictly for my Facebook family that be fucking with me. Like, I got people that's listed as my family that don't never say nothing to me. So this is for the ones that really be talking to me. Excuse how I look, no makeup, no nothing. So now, Deshaun Child, please. Monique Mosky, real pretty chick. You know I fuck with y'all page since day one. Christopher Taylor Gang, hey brother. Young Juice, Rachel So Icy, my sissy. Matt Moody, Rican So Wavy, Sneaky Tuna, Young Boo, Don't Give a Fuck, Xavier Reed, Chrissy D. Jones, sis. Pretty Girl Swaggin', and Sleepy Brown. I was about to tag it, but I was like, no, let me just make a video real quick because I appreciate y'all. Y'all always talk to me. Y'all always like my stuff, and I try to do the same for y'all. And for the rest of my family that don't really be talking to me, I mean, fuck with me. You know, I'll talk to you back. Like, we listed on there, so shit. And I want a bigger family, so if you want to be part of my Facebook family, just send me the family request, and I accept it, you know. And I said it was gonna be a quick one, and it is. I'm done. So, you know, Drake playing in the background, of course. So, next shout out video is coming.